Good morning, good morning, good morning. Big up on yourself today. You're Toronto, England. Big up yourself, Trinidad, Guyana. Big up yourself, Jamaica. Big up yourself. Uptown, Jamaica, hometown. Big up on yourself, people. Know some love Toronto. Always been good to me. My love on England. Big up in my lots and lots of fun. Some of them can't even find me up. Since what them still not find them soon find me. People them soon find me. I run into them on the train all about them and every time I run into someone I'm like, we was looking for you, oh my God. So I saw it go. Yeah, but big up everybody and I love everybody. I just want to know my love because we can't walk around with it in our heart. The reason why I say I love Amari, she's very entertaining. Yes. And remember when Chin and Golibap they left, when Golibap they said Chin breast long can't tie cow. You understand me? So my man no easy in custom when they ready. And then no him and Amari come now. I must say your body stressful or whatever. But in the fuck it. They can't say in the fuck it. In the fuck it. And he meet her a long time from Jamaica and they know her body they tan. But a some tan. I just some tan. Individual always a some tan. Yeah? Me make a little joke of Amari, a little joke of a gully bap and all him kind of thing. But I know nothing serious. Me not really hate nobody. Or say me I preach hate for nobody. Because it's not good to hate. It is a terrible thing. If you carry hate in your heart, you see, you're bitter every day. You know when a life are going on, you have hate until you're bitter, you can't reach nowhere in life. Because you're too bitter. You want to kill somebody, you want to obey them because you can't find out to destroy them. Because you're dirty mind and you're bitter. Me not dirty mind and bitter. I love Amari. I watch most of the show, it was entertaining. Trust me, very entertaining. And going back, gone home now. And with him friend Rika. Him say, remember this saying Rika, I'm friend. Him never say Rika, I'm woman. Him say Rika, I'm friend. So if them together and they love each other, more power to them. Big up themselves because I like Rika. Rika cute, yeah, she look nice and thing. Yeah. Big up yourself, go about, big up yourself, Amari. Everybody Chin, big up yourself. Everybody big up themselves. Dr. Love, big up yourself. Tina Chin, big up yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. I'm in love honor all. Because without honor, there is no entertainment and everybody brings something to the table. You know what I mean? So I love the entertainment because everybody brings something to the table. So Amari, you can't take it serious and get mad when people make joke. We are just bringing things to the table. And it also helps your thing to go on because we are promoting when we talk about you. People want to see what we are talking about and then come to your page and look. So I don't know, hate or nothing. It's just love. You know what I mean? It's just love. When you and going back together, I know that doing the thing, I want to start fight at first. Me thinking of acting a plan so the rating can't go. Me then not really serious, so I got break up. Seriously. I thought it was a joke. I'm coming in on the joke. But me never say seriously, you're gonna break up. Anyway, me know you love Golibap. Me know you love Golibap. You see what I mean? And in spite of everything happen, close your leg tight. Nobody with no dating and no man right now. You don't need no sex right now, Amari. You don't need a man to come act your body right now. After what just happened. Remember, say you're a singer, you're a star, my girl. And if you have to fall for the you just go to the gym, work out. Me need it too. I not lie, you know, see me tan. You know, see me bend up and tan from where they because I now work out, me fix me workout 1, 3, 4 days, then me get busy again, me for work out, me come in tired and I'm for really try to get the time. Now I make the time, I make sure I get it done. Go and get a little workout, get your sneakers on, fix up yourself, and get a new look, my girl. All the pain and the suffering where you think you go through in life. And your kids them big no time for your shine. Right? And bless up you and bless up your kids them. You know, you must get your kids them involved in a no kind of relationship you have with any man. Kids are kids and they're all in place. What between you and the man or between you and the man? Because when the kids them start to involve, you come like you disrespect the man even more. And you don't want to come back to you. Because I come back at all, everybody's against him and there's a lot of them. You know what I mean? My mother got 13 kids too, you know. And I know the struggle she been through. And if I never got, she wouldn't be alive. And she still come and go back to school and become a nurse. And work in months and until she retire. So what I'm trying to say is I respect you that you have your kids. I respect you as a woman. I respect you because you're strong. You're strong, Naras Amari. And God bless you. Even if you have a little screw loose or whatever people want to say, me have screw loose too. And sometimes we've been through hard things in life and the things you go through the kids and been homeless. If your screw loose, it's okay. It's okay, but love yourself. No matter nobody come over you. Love you first. No matter nobody come last. Nobody with no man and a man fi go have sex with and all that now. It don't make no sense. Hit the gym, fix up yourself, write your music them. Work pan where you want to work pan. Whatever reggae style you want to do or where you want to do, you can do it. But you have to get time to sit down, get the beat and listen to them and try to do that. Now worry about no man and all them so we can disappoint you again. No bother with it. Because man also disappoint woman anyway you take it, you know. And I don't know. We some of we women have a relationship with Amari, you know. more dirty and that, more worse and that, you know. But only thing the public never hear it. It never hear from the public. Maybe in show worse and back. But nobody never know because it never in the public eye. So, on a big deal. Love your Amari and big up yourself. Big up yourself, go about big up everybody. And just don't say one love. Right? Right. Damn. He's sitting there weeping on my nose, Walter Ross. May I tell you? You see, I having this problem I don't know now. I don't know what to tell you. God damn. Ever since, you know, me a young girl coming up, me start growing hair through my nose. But when me come to America, the hair them get long, the hair them grow right through my nose, long hair coming through my nose, long hair coming through my nose. Me left them long can braid coming through my nose. Then me have my ear grow all the way down my forehead. Me have to shave off some right here, so see, shave it. Forget some so cause the whole of the ear up on my face here, so the whole of my face ear right down. Take out some of them. Ear right down, see it? My ear grow, see all the ear. I have some shave out, see it there? My baby ear grow right down. My eyebrow them meeting at the middle. Yeah, and the ear them grow right down here, so. So I left everything I make it grow up. Oh God, me become a monster. What is this? Me become a monster. So a while ago, me say, me have to go pick up sitting and I go out the road. And I wonder how my nose will look so white. Jesus. When me realize I grow the hair, them grow fast. I mean, I realize them grow so fast. And the makeup powder, I mean that powder my face to get on them. So the whole of my nose will powder white on the ear them. Like my nose look like it full up a grey hair. So I have to cut them out. Yeah, if I cut out the ear them. Because I can't walk on the subway. It grow all the way, so. Yeah, because, you know, people that talk to me. I don't know, something is wrong. I think I have a lot more monkey DNA more than human DNA. It had to be more monkey DNA because a monkey alone grow ear, so ear come through. A monkey, the whole of my face full of ear. A monkey that. I love myself and I think I'm beautiful. But maybe I'm a beautiful monkey. Because my monkey DNA too much, man. Here I grow through my nose. Me have the monkey DNA bad. I have more monkey DNA more than human DNA. That's fucked up. My mother never sleep with a monkey. Because the monkey in the Jamaica. Unless the man where she sleep with my father had monkey, more monkey DNA. Maybe my father was a monkey. I sleep with my father. My father, mother. And then my father come and breed my mother and me get the monkey DNA. Because I have more monkey DNA, I'm telling you. If I cut out the ear out of my nose, then grow so long. Large and then the nose go bigger and walk up again. Boy, I tell them, I'm not shame, I'm not cause guess what, so God make me. But eventually, I have to do something. And if I'm going to lace up on my nose, I think I can lace out the ear them. And it's not that, you know, the ear them stuck up on my nose. I like them, I give me allergy. My God. Do you not let nobody, I don't care. Yeah, man, the monkey DNA rich in my blood, yo. Rich. The monkey DNA rich in my blood, me I tell you, it's rich bad. So I grow here, I grow me here like a monkey. Yeah. Going here like a monkey, man. Because I got the monkey disease. The monkey DNA, the blood thick. We get a lot of monkey DNA more than human. And now me I suffer with monkey DNA. Not many people have monkey DNA, you know. But me have monkey DNA. Like some kind of animal in my body. Father, strike it out. The Holy Spirit of God is against you, Satan. Come out of my body, monkey. Ah, you motherfucker. Why? Mother skunk, you motherfucker. Yeah, 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 yeah. You saw like a clip in our blade, ball. I get the one that we hang out cause I don't want to talk and cut out the whole of my nose hole. Can I cut out that part of the whole as I go drop down flop? Trust me. Yeah, man. Monkey DNA real. Monkey DNA real, yo. And I like me sleep with monkey. And me catch a monkey disease. Me never fuck monkey yet. Never fuck monkey yet at all. Well, look a bit cleaner now. Go on the train and people look up and look for your European nose that hang out. They must say, what the fuck is this I'm seeing? Is it take time to get them phone? And go on them looking at them phone. Then put away your nose hole there. Can I go? I bleed a little, but you know I bleed a lot. Fucking thing snap me, see it? I bleed a little, but you know I bleed a lot. Motherfucker. See? But you know I bleed a lot, but I bleed little through the hole. Scissors cut it, man. Thank God you not cut worse than that. Can't do with this monkey thing, I'm telling you. This shit is fucking annoying. By a couple of days from now, you see growth long again. Back to the monkey. So I got more time, you know, and everything you get in a life you want. And I'm gonna need the extra ear. I'm gonna need the extra wood for extra ear. My ear grow all the way, I'm gonna need extra. That's how I go. And braids in your mouth, yes, one of them have the extra down here, so make no sense. Anyway, people big up on us, I'm going to do it. I get later, 11:35. Love you. Mwah. Later. God damn. Fuck.